Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how you can request access from your client or from your partner to work on their behalf on their social media accounts or run ads on their behalf through their business manager. In my previous video, I had shown the steps that how client can send their business manager or their digital agency access to all their assets from directly from their business manager. It will be easy from the client side. They can watch that video, and this video is for the service provider who want to request assets from their clients to their business manager and run ads or manage their Facebook pages on their behalf. So what you need to do, you need to be in your business manager. You can go to the link business.facebook.com/settings and you can easily access your business manager. Once you're in your business manager, you need to go into partners section here. Once you click partner, it will show you a dashboard something like this. So what you need to do, click on the partner to request assets from and click add. So it will ask you few different options: your partner name, your client name basically, or your partner name, your client email address, and their business ID. So for to collect the business ID, you can ask your client to provide you that business ID. They can easily get that ID from this left sidebar here. They can scroll down and go to business info, and this section here, this is a business ID. They can provide you this numbers here, and you can use this number to go back into the partner section, add, get started, and put that business ID here. So once you add your client's business ID here and the name of your client here and their email address. So once you add this here, you can just select your business role, that you're a media agency and your partner is a brand or business. And that's it. Once you do this, just request the type of assets you want. You can choose everything from here, what you want, and just if you are willing to get the full access, you can get the full control from here. From each account, you can also select the ad manager. You can get all the access from here. The pixels, you can also get it from here, and the Instagram access. So you can get all the major access from this request. Just select them and confirm your request. Once you do that, just hit send and your request will be sent to your client's email address with a link. So once they click on that link, it will take them directly to their business manager, and they can select the pages they want to share with you or the assets they want to share with you, and then they just need to hit save, and all the requests you have requested from them, that will be automatically granted to you, and you can easily start working on your client's social media. I hope this video helps you to learn how you can request access from your clients or your business partner. I will see you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn on the bell notification. Thank you.